Hey, this is Kat with Layout Escapes, and I'm here at my buddy's spot. Bob Haro helped design these. This is 101 bike, and boy, I want one of these for the paddock because I need to get back and forth, go get lunch, get my tires done, help out my clients, go around, meet some faces, and frankly, my feet are just fried. So here's the models: Carlsbad, the Seaside, and the Recon. All right, got some fresh models out. When these due out, Bob? In May? When? All right, so Carlsbad's coming out in May, and the Seaside and the Recon are already available. Price isn't bad either, and you've got some real industry veterans who've helped design these. I mean, frick, Jeremy McGrath is involved with this. So this is quality stuff. I'm looking at the welds. They're solid. The welding is good. All right, solid stuff. This actually looks like fun. Yeah, I can't wait to bip around the track instead of walking, because my hips are shot. We're getting old. Besides, you want to save that energy for your session out on the track. So practice up, because it's time to come to Europe or wherever we might go. Cheers.